Udukot ke yeng dorbar Tauan ke Megalaya uba Adelbert nongrum menta kasngi ulasa miki marbam naga benta kinong thokot khubor ki balong ru kirat ba nong pen priang khubor haka jingale jong ka sorkar persya uknang jingpang COVID-19. Habaya de berkani uba nongrum ulano senyang ru arpo hajar syaka Shillong Press Club kum ka jingerap ikinong thokot khubor haka ni kapor baka jela kamada ka jingduk jingkurdu bat ka jinghiran pisah.
Dong daw dong kier dong riang semar buat hari ni kapur nas ngobang de ban ai kublai ya baru di frontliners ibda na khamat du kone phone bani ka thama ko bajar thama bo long shu bo pam bo tip to corona virus ini kapur ni klemat na simini kabu akhbar joki ki parlok press media ki electronics but ki press person mga sodai ko munong mikmat ko memali kadang ada tanaka way constituency ni kasmudi ban pai khamat kerpang sapi amar pilai lagi jong ki gisem bat pila long side ki front line warrior haga kam ga jing sakri ki jong pi ti de hlo thanong rim ko ba ngasngu mangade ban ai ki jino senyang kum ga ka jing songu kum ka special recognition na ka banta ga service ka jong pi ko pi ai apreng ni ki por bar ki por baro yani klemat kini ki jing ai jong ai barit i essential commodities ya ki parok press barang juga por na kwa ru ya ban no senyang ya ka press club Shillong Press Club haka i amon barit i apo hajar tinggal kum kata kajing Aiman Siem kum kata kajing Aiman Siem bar ka dak kajing yeronang rekat and this very at this very occasion I also like to remind our MDA government since they had made an assurance by our respected Deputy Chief Minister on the 27 May 2021. And also we are looking ahead that the government of the day will give a special recognition towards the press person whom they are given and they render their service towards the humanity, especially in this course of COVID. So I do feel that the government should come up, as they had made already an assurance, that they should come up with a clear notification or official notification to our friends so that they may know what are the benefits that they are going to avail. So I do feel that the government of the day should have sympathy for the spirit of rendering services towards the humanity. With these very few words, I kublai kepi baru kublai dorekat berkerku ngi tui tengah Hanoi ini.
Berber besibun dak khidmat sekinong pakai ke boru balik se babon pering jungki kita nak pering kecing madan diktre kita di barian kita kecing se bola ke dinara jadi se kani kecing khidmat jungki kecing no jungki ya kita kemensem ba kecing ai kita kita mesti ba lera kita kena ba jungki kita pra kita ba kita ba maka kami tadi juga dengan kau berkendang lah bersama kan bahasa suri pada kentang ini yang besar, besi, semua